Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I will share when this divine entity which was with me since my childhood actually stopped talking, and I also stopped feeling his presence. So when first time this tantric told me about this divine entity who is with me, that too since my childhood, he also told me that this spirit is of my own age, or like a bit of difference, close to my age itself. And it is also growing the way you are growing in your age. This spirit is also growing. And then I said I want to see the face of this spirit. So this tantric was given the permission by the divine so that he can talk to the spirit. Otherwise he didn't had that option. I realized that he was given permission by the divine twice. So he said, he spoke to this spirit that before going to bed I can ask him that show me your face, and then he will show me his face only in a dream. So I did the same thing. Before going to bed, I said I want to see your face, and I realized when I slept that a masculine spirit is sitting close to my bed holding my hand. And yeah, he's of my age only, but then he did not show me his face. He was wearing white color mask. The entire face was wearing mask. So I realized he is not showing me his face. But then I saw that it's a divine entity. And but then what has happened, and then after that I think I forgot. So as that tantric told me, this divine entity has saved my life twice. So he told me only about two incidents, which was one when I tried ending my life through committing suicide, and then another during that accident wherein this divine entity took me in his arms, and I realized, so I've shared this incident in previous video. So I knew that, but then after that I also started noticing that several things happens with me, that I slapped people several times. These were masculines only, not female. So during my school days, I was walking with with another friend of mine, and I was already upset. So one guy was bothering me, was throwing small stones on my skirt. So I got upset, and then I slapped him. And then I saw that he went a little distance and fell on the ground. So then I realized I did not slapped him that heavily. And then I was scared that this happens, and this happened I think by that time twice or thrice. So I realized that it's not me, it's the hand of that that divine entity. If I am slapping anyone, so people have said several times it's not a female's hand when they were given that tight slap. Another incident, it happened in 2014, I guess, that I was going to my swimming classes, and so it was within 3 to 4 kilometers. So I went through bus. So there what has happened, that this bus conductor got rude with me unnecessary. It was not my fault. And then though I taught him a lesson, but then I was also angry that time. And now I realize since 2014, this anger issue was increasing day by day, and that was happening because of black magic. So what I thought, now as I'm already angry because of this a bus conductor, and I know that my anger is not good for other people, so I should actually stay away from this. And but then still what I did, while returning from swimming classes, I was actually going for swimming classes. So I was coming, and then there was a masculine who was around between 30 to 35 years of age, and that time I was 25 years. So that masculine who was between 30 to 35 years of age, what he did, he pinched on my thighs while I was standing close to a shop, was taking something. And then I realized this person has done this intentionally. So I turned back and started slapping him back to back. So I was so angry that I was not able to let go of that person, and for the last half an hour 4 boys were trying to make him leave me so that I stop slapping him back to back. And suddenly my shirt button came off because it was loose, I guess. And then suddenly I let go of that person. And then those 4 boys started telling me, it's been half an hour, we are asking you to leave that person. We tried a lot, you were not leaving, and we were also not make that person away from you. And I was like, I realized that it was not me. So whenever I'm angry, there are a lot of spirits. So as in 2015, I got so busy and my work schedule was so tight. So one night it was, I got free from my work around 12 a.m., and it was again late night. So the moment I lied on my bed, I took the name of Twin Flame, and I started crying that why didn't you talk to me today? And then I realized, why this. Okay, so several times I used to, call this, this divine entity who has been with me by the name of twin flame itself. So I did it sometimes intentionally, but this time it happened automatically. When I got free from my office call at 12 a.m. and then I took his name. So I realized there was no reply from this entity this time. So I tried talking this, to this spirit, tried getting an answer, but then he was not responding. And now I was also not feeling his presence. So this happened probably in 2015 October. And then I got busy in my work again, and it was, getting increased again and again. Very hectic schedule, which I've already shared in my previous video. And I have also shared an incident wherein this twin flame who did a shittiest thing while calling me in Goa with the other, that reptilian girl, so that I've shared in other video. So since 2016 January, I realized this spirit is not talking to me. And I started missing his presence because it was a divine spirit. So, and I had a lot of support from this entity. So as I was not feeling the presence of this divine entity in my life, I started feeling suffocated on a regular basis, because his presence was divine, as it was a divine entity. So his presence was divine plus healing. I had a lot of support in so many things. So when this masculine spirit stopped communicating with me, and I also was not feeling his presence, so I started to feel as if some part of my body has been separated from me. And since then I started crying on a regular basis. And whenever I used to cry, I thought maybe I'm missing this twin flame, and that is why I'm crying, because of course I was not in communication on a regular basis with this twin flame. So that time I started crying on a regular basis, and again health was getting spoiled again and again because of black magic. So again one day I realized this masculine spirit has stopped communicating with me, and I tried again. I tried talking to him and tried getting a reply several times, but I realized there is no reply coming from him. And then I said, where have you gone? Why have you left me? But no reply was there. I also took one decision, when that tantric told me, this is a divine entity staying with me, that, that masculine spirit. I took a decision that, I do not want to get married, and I also do not need any human in my life. I understand this much of support from this particular divine entity I have. Again, from divine, I knew that a lot of support I have. But, because of this divine, this, entity who was with me, was supporting me in a lot of things. So I thought I will never get married, and I don't need to get married. So I took a decision in 2015. And divine is always listening, even though when they are not replying, they are always listening to us. And I thought, that this divine entity is with me again like a best friend, and always takes care of me, guides me, protects me, and we are always, chit-chatting. So I would never need a person in my life. So we can stay like a best friend forever. I don't need to get married. When that masculine spirit stopped talking to me, I thought that the tantric must have distanced him from me, because he was saying that he wanted such a divine entity to work with, and it is possible that tantric might have caged him. So tantrics do that thing with the spirits. My health was not supporting me due to black magic attacks, and I used to cry almost daily. I thought maybe I am missing twin flame a lot these days. And one day I was so ill that I thought I might not survive anymore now. So I called my parents thinking I would meet them for the last time. So as parents, knew that the way I was working was doing hectic schedule during, work hours. And so my father got angry, and then, I was hospitalized for a few days, and then I was better. And then I'll share this, this story in some other video. And since then, I started going into a lot of darkness. And as I was crying almost daily, I thought I'm missing, this twin flame. But then I realized, this has never happened with me. I never used to cry like this. I understand sometimes, it was because of emotional fluctuation during new moon and full moon. But then the way I was missing this twin flame and crying daily, that was quite weird for me. But that was happening on a frequent basis. And then in 2017 February, I got a new job. So I joined a different industry. It was an IT firm, IT industry, and there I decided to work in night shift. There I also did not choose to work like on those higher designations, because I knew I will not be able to work on my creativity. So I wanted to work during night shift, and then I decided to participate again, either swimming, dancing, and do further activities during daytime. And there I joined, wherein I had only few people working under me. Again, it was in HR only, so I joined as HR manager. Now there in that company, I had a lot of time for myself. So I thought maybe I will be able to work on my career goals, also the dreams I had, and also can keep myself busy in other creative projects, so that I will not be missing this twin flame. So as I was going on a new journey since 2017, I shifted, even changed the industry from aviation to IT. And so that time I also had to change my location because of this, office location. So I told to Divine that now I'm giving you a last opportunity to save these people from me. So as per my commitment, once this game of this 10 years is over, I will have to punish these people as I committed to you. So now this is one last opportunity. If you want to save these people from me once this game is over, now start giving me evidences that these people are right and can be saved, and I am wrong. Wherein you know the truth, I know the truth. I have only met wrong, evil, selfish people from 2011 to 2017. It was a conversation in 2017. So I knew these people tried ending my life and my career, also relationships, by using black magic, manipulation, gaslighting, several other shit. They have tried doing it. So as per my commitment, I will have to punish them once this game is over. So still, if you want to save these people from me, I give you this opportunity. Now start giving me evidences. So again, as Divine was not replying, but then they are always listening. So I told them, no, this is your last chance to save these people from me. And since 2017, as I was shifting my location, lot of thing has happened again related to this twin flame itself, which I will be sharing in a different video. So why I said to Divine that if you want to save these people from me, then start giving me evidences that they are right, wherein I knew that they were wrong, evil people, and Divine also knew. So I just wanted to give one last chance to Divine and to these people that they can be saved from me once this game is over, because that time I already completed 7 years of those of that particular journey. The game I have played with the help of Divine. You can listen to it from the previous video if you are new on my channel. So it was only 3 years left. So it was about to be completed in 2020, I guess, because it started in 2011. So I wanted Divine to produce these evidences, maybe if these people can be saved from my punishment, because I did not want to punish anyone, wherein I knew what sort of damages these people tried doing into my life. Even they tried ending my life several times through black magic. So as in 2016, I stopped talking to this twin flame, and also that reptilian girl who was a girlfriend of my best friend. But as so these were part of my game, these people were part of my game. So in 2017 I again came in communication with these people, in contact with these people, as my new journey was starting, and they all came in contact because I said to Divine, start producing me the evidences, so that if you want to save these people from me. So then as in 2017 another thing has happened related to this twin flame journey. So I will share that in another video. So this was about today's video. Please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.